Welcome aboard to the magical world of AI, artificial intelligence. In AI, you can just about do anything, from creating sounds to worlds you've never seen. AI is like a giant creative toolbox where imagination meets machine learning. And as you'll see, it can really capture attention for your audience. Let's start with ElevenLabs. It uses neural voice synthesis to turn text into lifelike text-to-speech, any accent, any language. Perfect for natural narrators in lessons, podcasts, or videos.
In the town where I was born lived a man who sailed to sea, and he told us of his life in the land of submarines.
Next up, MidJourney. With generative AI and diffusion models, it transforms words into dazzling images and even text to video clips. Like my Yellow Submarine, designed and animated entirely with AI. Then there's Mureka. Create a soundtrack or a full song in minutes with AI music composition and neural audio mixing. Perfect for crafting a Beatles-styled tune to accompany our undersea adventure. Finally, Kling AI turns still images into animated characters using AI-driven lip sync and avatar animation. Imagine a cartoon captain at the helm of our submarine giving course directions. Everything is possible. These 4 AI tools, ElevenLabs, MidJourney, Mureka, and Kling AI, show how technology and imagination can create something truly original. All the big AI platforms come at a cost. So choose the ones that fit your daily or weekly work. New tools surface all the time. Explore wisely and invest where it inspires your best ideas. Remember, AI is just another tool. The imagination is yours.